Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows Server 2019 is patched and domain joined. This ensures compatibility and secure authentication. Once done, create an Exchange Service account with delegated rights so setup can provision objects. Next, install ADDS, DNS, NET Framework, and Visual C++ Redistributable. These satisfy prerequisites and avoid installer failures. Run setup/prepare schema and /prepare AD to extend your schema and create Exchange containers. Make sure replication completes before you proceed to installation. Now you install Exchange Server 2019 using the Setup GUI or unattended mode with /mode. Install Mailbox role. This places services and files correctly. After installation, import or request a certificate and bind it to IIS and SMTP to secure client and server traffic. Configure virtual directories, OAuth if needed, and create receive/send connectors with proper IP restrictions. Once these are set, create mailbox databases and configure a DAG for high availability, including proper storage and antivirus exclusions to protect database integrity. To finish, run test service health and test mail flow to validate core services and mail routing. This confirms mailboxes and transport work. Make sure auto-discover DNS records and external/internal URLs match your certificate common name, and that firewall and NAT allow SMTP, HTTPS, and required ports. If problems occur, check Exchange setup and transport logs, inspect Event Viewer for specific errors, and rerun setup/prepare domain if object permissions look wrong. This often fixes missing containers or rights without rebuilding the server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.